Hello, my Heal Diviners. Welcome to my channel of I Heal Divine. So today I've been called to do a reading on um, on Ashtami, because today is Durga Ashtami and Goddesses wants to give you a message and blessings. So let's see what messages and what blessings she wants to give you this Ashtami. So before I continue, if you are new to my channel, please like, follow, subscribe to my channel I Heal Divine. So this message will resonate for some and not for some. So let's go ahead with the reading. Mahakali, Shamshana, Baglamukhi, Kamla Devi, and Kama of Kali. So the message what I'm getting is, first of all, I would like to say that here she is saying, the goddesses are saying that they are completely rebuilding your life. And she's saying to do that, first you must stay down what is not working and do not be afraid, because this destruction is a form of deep love. And she says it is for your highest good, whatever is happening. So let's start with each goddesses. With Goddess Mahakali, here she says the message she wants to give you. She says, you are in charge. See the bigger picture. As she says that your life needs a major change now. It's time. Don't be afraid. Move forward. Because with that, the blessing she is giving you is that she says, I will give you the courage to face this change and will cut you free from all your past problems or whatever you've been fearing about. Then comes Goddess Samshana. Here she says she's also a form of Kalima. So here she says that she is working in the cremation ground for you, like whatever needs to go, she is taking it out. She's burning away whatever is dead in your life, your old habits, your toxic relationship, or the person you used to be. Because with the blessing she's giving you is that she's giving you the power to let go and to show you, she's showing you that ashes uh, will help your new life to grow. And then comes Goddess Baglamukhi. Now, Goddess Baglamukhi says she's freezing anything that could harm you or will get in the way of your transformation. She's also stopping all your enemies, your bad luck, and your own self sabotaging thoughts. And with the blessing she is giving you, is that she says she will give you the power to say stop. And that silence, what hurts you so much, will now heal in peace. Then comes Kamla Devi, which is the lotus goddesses. So here the message she wants to give you is, she is the promise of a beautiful new beginning. She says that she's promising you that then your new beginning is about to start. After all the destruction, she is bringing true and lasting abundance. Not just money, but peace, beauty, and joy. And the blessing she wants to give you is that she will give you the true prosperity. She will make your life bloom like a lotus, beautifully. And then comes Kama, the god of desire. So here says that your energy is now being purified. The goddesses are not destroying your passion, says, but they are redirecting them from shallow wants like greed or fame now to your true desires, to your soul true desires like your purpose, creativity, and love. And the blessing he wants to give you is that I will help you what is truly good for your soul because your energy will be focused and powerful. So, what this means for you now? Now, if your life feels like it's falling apart, it says goddesses are actively dismantling it to build something better. So, don't fight it, let it go smoothly. Because with Goddess Baklamukhi, you are being protected even while things are chaotic. And the goal is to be happier, more peaceful, and have an abundant life because Kamla Devi is there. But you must go through the storm to get there, through all the storm to get here. So, your job right now is to trust, let go, and be brave because the old you is leaving and a stronger, freer, more powerful you is being reborn. And it is a massive blessing in disguise, my yield diviners. So, with the blessings of all the goddesses, together it's signifying that a complete and total dismantling of your reality for the purpose of your ultimate rebirth is happening. So it is a destruction of the universe because they want to create a new one for you. They want to give you a new life. So do not resist. Surrender your ego, your plans, your identity. Call upon them to replace your fear with fierce courage as they are showing you the void so you can learn from it. And let something die because like relationships, jobs, habits, self images, anything, because they are crumbling you. So let them go. It's that thing is ended for you. And you need to claim your power now. Use the energy of Baglamukhi to silence your inner critic and your external negativity. So speak your truth with the force that you provide, which she will provide you. And then as the dust will settle down, work with Kamla Devi, Goddess Kamla Devi. Begin to envision the life of true abundance that you are meant to lead. Your desires are now purified and will be your guide. So overall, what she is saying that she is the goddesses as open the path for prosperity, peace, and abundance